Now, if you've been following my videos, you'll realise that I don't try to model a particular place or a particular period of time. It's just what's in here, and a lot of the stuff is actually memories. The Indian Pacific train memory, I actually rode from Perth to Adelaide on that, 42 hours. An Armstrong Siddeley Sapphire, the car that my father bought when he was demobbed at the end of World War II, and it wouldn't climb up the hill at Capilli because the engine was clapped. A Morris Minor, the car I passed my test in, an old Thames Trader tipper lorry. I've driven one of those miles and miles and miles. Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, which I drove from Kuwait to London, 6 days, 4,000 miles. Yeah, and of course there's one car or one vehicle that I haven't been in yet. I've never had to ride in one of those yet. It will come. I'm looking forward to that, maybe. And other stuff I've just bought because I like it. I think I'm going to have to build a multi-storey car park somewhere. We just had new laminate flooring laid down, and the pieces came in boxes like that. To a lot of people it's just a box. To me it's platforms. I have had the trains running and I'm looking forward to getting them running again, but we've had the whole house rewired, which meant chases cut in the walls in every room, and the amount of dust is crazy. And so until we've got all that lot sandpapered and the dust finished, it's not worth cleaning up the tracks. But I am looking forward to getting the trains running again. Well, this is where Tref Fechan Station will be. There's one platform in, there's another platform in, there's the main platform in, and all of that lot is made out of that one box that the laminated floor came in. And there's the kit-built station building. Well, Tref Fechan Station is coming on quite well, but I've still got to build the pedestrian bridges across to get from one platform to another, and then finish off the town behind, or the rest of the town. But before I finish this video, one of my subscribers, Malcolm Payne, took a fancy to my little hammer that I used building the Zen garden, and he said that he bent a lot of the pins when he was setting the track on his N gauge layout. But I don't use a hammer, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen these, but for Malcolm's sake I use this, and what it is a little hole in the end of the tube there, and inside there's a magnet, and you take the pin, if I can pick it up, there we are, you take the pin and you pop it into the end of the tube, and that's now held by the magnet. Then you simply take the device, place it over the speaker that you want, and press down, and in goes the pin. No hammer. It's a really useful little tool. There it is. So on that note, I'll say thank you very much indeed for watching again, and I hope you've enjoyed it. So thanks for watching, and If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you can share this video or my videos with other people, that would be well appreciated. And I hope you'll come back and see more. So for this time, bye bye.